Okay, sa ating lesson ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang iba't ibang methods for solving equations of order 1. Okay. Sa lesson natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin yung unang type ng differential equation of order 1, and this is separable differential equations. Sa mga nauna nating pag-aaral, given yung relation or function, ang hinahanap natin doon or sinolve natin ay yung required na differential equation. One of order equal to the number of arbitrary constant and consistent and free of arbitrary constants. Okay? Ngayon naman ay sa lesson natin ay pag-aaralan natin yung iba't ibang method for solving equation of order 1. Either ang ating solution ay magpo-provide sa atin ng general solution or particular solution. Gaya ng mga napag-aralan natin sa huling lesson natin, yung family of curves. Okay, a solution of differential equation in the unknown function y and the independent variable x is the function y of x that satisfies the differential equation. Iba't ibang types ng differential equations yung mapag-aaralan natin, at dito nakafocus yung ating subject na differential equation, solution ng iba't ibang differential equations. Unang type nga itong variable separable. Okay, unang method is separation of variables. Yung next ay homogeneous equations na yung solution ay nagre-require ng isang method na magli-lead to a variable separable type ng differential equation. Okay. Ang differential equation of order 1 ay pwede nating isulat sa iba't ibang form. Example, m of xy, that is function ng xy dx plus function of xy dy is equal to 0, or m plus n times derivative of y with respect to x, or y prime equals function of m xy divided by function of n xy. Yan yung iba't ibang type ng form ng differential equation of order 1. At etong pinakauna, yung pwede natin consider as the standard differential equation of order 1. Example, kapag meron tayong differential equation of the form x plus y times dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Yan. Where m of xy is equal to x plus y, then n of xy is equal to y. Yung mga coefficient ng dx at ng dy, yun yung m saka yung n. Okay? Kaya sa first type ng differential equation, which is a separable differential equation, yung form niya na nakasunod dito sa standard form, pwede natin masabi na variable separable siya kung ang form ay nasa form a sub x dx plus b sub y dy equals 0. Yan yung variable, ito yung form ng variable separable type ng differential equation. At may solution tayo para dito. Makikita natin na yung coefficient ng dx ay yung pure function na ng x, then yung katabi ng dy ay pure function ng y, na ang pinaka-solution para dito is to integrate a sub x dx and integrate b sub y dy using any integration formulas depende sa kung ano yung given sa function. Okay? This is variable separable type ng differential equation at ang solution niya ay simpleng integration ng bawat term once na na-separate na natin yung variable. Kaya sa lesson natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ay kung paano isa-separate yung variables ng differential equation, and pangalawa is to solve equation leading to separation of variables. Kaya sa ating example 1, we are required to solve for y prime is equal to yx cube. Okay, ito yung nasa form na yung pangatlong form ng differential equation. Y prime is equal to m of x over n of y. Okay, yan. That is a differential equation of order 1. Kaya ang una nating gagawin para ma-solve ito is to separate the variables. Okay, palitan natin yung y prime ng derivative of y with respect to x para makita natin kung paano isa-separate ang variable. Separation of variable means combining yung function ng x sa dx at yung y sa dy. Kaya cross-multiplying and simplifying, cross-multiply lang natin, then yung y dapat mapunta dito sa kabilang side kasi nandun yung dy. Kaya separating the variables will lead us to this equation. Okay, yan. Separated na yung variables once na yung function ng y ay kasama na ng dy at yung function ng x kasama na ng dx. The solution of which is simply to integrate both sides. Integrating both sides, dy over y, will give us the solution of this given differential equation. Okay, integral of dy over y is under integral of du over u, which is equal to ln of y, is equal to this power formula naman yung applicable dito, that simply u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1, that is x raised to 4 over 4 plus c. Hanggat maaari sa pagsosolve natin, lagi natin ilalagay dito sa kaliwang side yung function ng y, dito naman sa kabila yung function ng x, at yung constant of integration dito natin ilalagay kasama nung function ng x. Okay? Kung gusto natin mawala yung fraction, multiply lang natin ito ng 4 para mawala yung 4 dito, mapupunta dun sa kabilang side. 4 ln of y is equal to x raised to 4. Then multiply man natin yung 4 ng c, still constant pa rin yung mapoproduce natin, kaya pwede natin sulat as 4 times c is c1, or this is ln of y raised to 4. Okay, pwedeng itaas yung exponent, yung 4 na ito para maging exponent ng y is equal to x raised to 4 plus c1. Okay, ayan. Yan yung solution, general solution nung given na differential equation, which is variable separable type. Okay? Kaya ang unang step sa pagsosolve natin is to separate the variables. Yan. dy over dx is y x cube. Separating the variables, yung y dapat malipat dito sa kabilang side para makasama niya yung dy. Then yung yung dx magmo-multiply lang sa x cube ito. Kaya ito yung sagot natin. Example number 2, we are required to solve e raised to y dx minus x squared dy equals 0. Okay, this is a differential equation of order 1 na hindi pa separated yung variables, kasi katabi ng dx ay e raised to y, function ng y yan, then katabi ng dy ay function ng x, which is x squared. Okay, dapat una nating gagawin, first step is to separate the variables, and to do this you simply multiply both sides, kung ano man yung gusto nating alisin ng reciprocal ng e raised to y, then reciprocal ng x squared. Gagawin natin to para maalis natin yung e raised to y dito, kasi magka-cancel na yun dyan. Then ang mapoproduce natin is dx over x squared minus, magka-cancel naman yung x squared dito, then may iwan naman yung e raised to y equals 0, which is now variable separable type. Okay, this is also equal to x raised to negative 2 times dx minus e raised to negative y dy equals 0. The solution of which is the integration of each term. Okay, this is power formula. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1 minus this is equal to negative of e raised to negative y, okay, plus c equals 0. Or this is 1 over x minus minus is plus e raised e raised to negative y is 1 over e raised to y. Or po pwedeng c na sa kabilang side, pares din naman yun. Okay, simplify lang natin. T is also equal to 1 over x plus 1 over e raised to y. Pwede nating ilipat yung c dito sa kabilang side. Pares pa rin naman yan. Positive or negative man yung c dyan, still constant pa rin naman yan. Okay. Pag kinuha natin yung ln ng both sides, that is ln of e raised to negative y is equal to ln of c1 minus 1 over x. Okay? Para mawala yung yung e. Okay, pwedeng bababa yung negative y, ln of e is equal to ln of c1 minus 1 over x. Okay, and ln of e is 1, or negative y is equal to ln of c1 minus 1 over x, or y is equal to negative of ln of c1 minus 1 over x. Okay, yan. Ito yung required na general solution. Okay. Example number 3, we're given this differential equation x dy minus y dx equals x squared times dy. Okay, algebraic manipulation, we have to combine similar terms kasi may dy dito at may dy dun sa kabilang side. Pwede nating ilipat ito, transpose itong x squared dy sa kabilang side para mapag-combine siya. We have x dy minus x squared dy minus y dx equals 0. Then pag pinag-combine, we'll have x minus x squared times dy minus y dx equals 0. Okay, separated na ba yung variables? Hindi pa, kasi ang katabi ng dy ay function ng x, then yung dx naman katabi niya y. Dapat yung y makasama na itong dy, then function ng x dapat sa dx. Okay, kahit hindi na natin gawin yung pagmumultiply ng kung anong gusto nating lipat, simpleng process lang naman. Alam natin na itong x minus x squared ay mapupunta lang dito sa ilalim ng dx, then yung y naman mapupunta sa ilalim ng dy. Separating the variables mentally, okay, we'll get this. Okay, dx over x, which is common sa x minus x squared, 1 minus x equals 0. Okay? Solution para dito ay integral ng dy over y. Then solution naman dito ay nag-involve ng solution for rational fraction. Okay? Iwalay natin solution para doon. I-consider natin yung 1 over x minus 1 minus x. Okay. Kung i-express natin to as sum ng partial fraction for linear factors doon sa denominators, this is equal to a over x plus b over 1 minus x. Okay. And this is equal to 1 equals a times 1 minus x plus b. Okay. Yan ay kung i-multiply natin yan in both sides ng LCD, which is equal to x times 1 minus x. Magka-cancel, matitira 1. Then ito, magko-cross multiply lang siya dito. Yung 1 minus x dito magpupunta sa a. Then yung x dito sa b. Okay? Then sa solution para dito, para ma-solve yung a sa b, we assume x equal to 1 para mawala ito. 1 is equal to a times 1 minus 1 is 0 plus b times 1. Kaya ang value ng b ay 1. Then another assumption is we assume x equal to 0 para mawala yung b, masasolve natin yung a. 1 is equal to a times 1 minus 0 plus b times 0. This is 0. A is also equal to 1. Kaya yung fraction na 1 over x times 1 minus x ay equal sa 1 over x plus 1 over 1 minus x. Pwede nating ma-check kung tama yan, kung equal nga ba sila. Okay? Kaya sa solution niya dito, instead na ito yung isolve natin, ang gagawin natin ay i-replace siya natin siya ng 1 over x plus 1 over 1 minus x. Saka natin siya integrate. Okay? Kaya continuation. Ito yung given na equation, integral of dy over y plus integral of dx over x times 1 minus x equal to 0. Ito, solution yan is ln of y plus or minus yata nakalagay doon. Negative yan. Plus, instead ng isusulat natin na ito, ang ipapalit natin dyan ay 1 over x plus b, which is also 1, multiplied by dx equals 0. Okay, integral of 0 is a constant. Okay, pwede natin equal c. Okay, integral of 0 is constant kasi ang differential or derivative ng constant ay 0. Kaya ito, ln of y plus integral of dx over x plus integral of dx over 1 minus x equals constant, or ln of y plus ln of x. Okay, dahil may minus dito, negative ln of 1 minus x equals constant c. Okay. Sa property ng logarithm, para mapag-combine natin sa isang logarithmic function, ito, i-apply natin property ng logarithm. Kapag meron tayong product, sum ng dalawang logarithms, ln of y plus ln of x is equal to ln of y times x. Then, kung merong subtraction, minus, magiging division. At yan ay 1 minus x equals, yung constant ay pwedeng mag-assume ng kahit na anong value. Pwede rin natin ito lagyan ng ln of c. Gawin nating ln of c para mas madali natin masolve kasi magka-cancel lang yan. Y times x over 1 minus x is equal to c, or y times x is c times 1 minus x. Okay. And this is the required general solution. Okay. This is solution for solving equation of order 1 ng type ay variable separable type. Kaya nga importante na alam natin yung mga formulas for integration kasi ito yung pinaka-solution for solving differential equations. Okay, reverse lang yung process. Para makapag-produce tayo ng differential equation, nagre-require yan ng differentiation. Then, para ma-solve naman yung given na differential equations, ang solution naman ay integration. Okay, at yan yung lesson natin para sa ngayon. Separable differential equation. Okay. Ano yung mga step ng solution na gagawin dito? 1, i-separate muna yung differential equation depende sa given na differential equation kung paano natin i-manipulate na ma-separate yung variables. Then once na separated na yung variables, saka natin integrate. Okay, yan. Okay, yan po ang end ng ating lesson sa ngayon. Sa susunod ay yung ibang type naman ng differential equation at yung method ng solution para doon sa type ng differential equation. Bawat type ng differential equation ay nagre-require ng iba't ibang way ng pagsasolve. Yung solution para sa variable separable ay hindi kapare sa solution ng homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation, at yung exact differential equation. Iba-iba ang solution nila.